Hello, everyone. Today I'll be your docent and walk you through the great work you're about to see. Shall we? First up, ancient Persia. Thousands of years ago, they believed that the sky was painted blue from the reflected light of sapphires. Just like this blue room. Once a mysterious gem, the sapphire is now, surprisingly, the basis of micro-LED technology. Symbolizing eternity, the sapphire and its light shine on its own forever, like this. So, what happens when you fill the screen with this small but strong light? Follow me for the latest advanced display technology. Everyone knows that micro-LED is the best display technology out there, but not everyone can make it happen. First, let's think about how small micro-LED really is. It would be like cutting a single centimeter of hair into 200 smaller pieces. Samsung has achieved remarkable results in the area of this ultra-precise technology. Each of these ultra-small micro-LEDs is a semiconductor that receives electric signals. In other words, Samsung combines its world-best semiconductor technology and impressive display technology to do work that is extremely delicate and advanced. Let's take a closer look at this amazing technology. Overall, moving ultra-small LEDs from a wafer to a screen is a very difficult and demanding task. First, we solved the existing problems of tolerance and distortion by changing to glass substrates for the screens, enabling us to attach more LEDs at a higher density. In addition, we improved upon the process of having to move each RGB chip individually, one stamp at a time. The development of our more precise laser technology enabled us to work much faster, since we could move multiple chips at once. For the LEDs to act as a screen, we also use vacuum optics to connect electrical signals in order to allow no room for error. Once these micro-LEDs are gathered, they form a module. Many of these LED modules are then combined to form a screen. The result is a beautiful, seamless screen made possible by Samsung's innovative technology. Starting with the module, micro-LEDs have limitless scalability as they are resolution-free, bezel-free, ratio-free, and even size-free. This means that the screen can be freely resized in any form for whatever you use it for, just like a building block. That is why micro-LEDs are the next generation of displays. Take a look at this. The expressions change according to the light, right? Depending on where the light hits, the object's three-dimensionality and texture will look different. Because micro-LEDs are self-illuminating, turning off the light produces complete blackness. Samsung's micro-LEDs now offer fine details in 20 bits, with colors and brightness spread over 1 million levels, depicting detailed shape, texture, and volume to perfection. Just as the artists during the Renaissance studied contrast between light and dark in order to better depict realistic portrayals of the human form, today's Samsung engineers studied the same, leading them to the resolution of those centuries-old concerns, the micro-LED. Well, what about color? Micro-LEDs are self-illuminating devices that emit red, green, and blue colors. Therefore, there is no need for a backlight or color filter like conventional displays. And micro-LEDs give us true-to-life perfect color expression as they individually produce color and light. Using ultra-fine devices made from inorganic sapphire, micro-LED has also solved issues that arise from the passage of time, such as the loss of light and color found on other displays. In addition, self-illumination renders the number of pixels meaningless by creating perfect contrast, unfiltered light, timeless color impressions. But don't forget audio. The micro-LED has a center speaker that delivers vivid sound seemingly directly out of the screen. If you add the 120-watt 6.2.2 channel specifications and OTS Pro function, you get a rich, clear, and immersive experience that makes you feel as if you're sitting in a movie theater or concert hall. Our masterpiece, the micro-LED. Wherever your space is, whatever size it is, and no matter what you use it for, the micro-LED is ready to fit in perfectly. Experience the excitement and element of surprise that this luxurious masterpiece has to offer. It's the one remaining piece to complete your collection. Thank you for taking this journey with me as we explored the one and only micro-LED.